Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore one of the most popular and powerful programming languages in the world, Python. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your programming skills, this session will give you a solid understanding of what Python is, why it's so widely used, and how you can get started with it. Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Interestingly, the name Python was inspired not by the snake but by the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. From the start, Python's goal was to make programming more simple, readable, and enjoyable. Python stands out because of its clean and easy to understand syntax. It reads almost like plain English. This makes it an excellent first language for beginners. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Python is also incredibly powerful. It's used by companies like Google, Netflix, YouTube, Instagram, Uber, Pinterest, Amazon, Yahoo, NASA, and Meta. You can visit trends.buildwith.com to explore over 85,000 top-ranking websites that are built using Python. According to a survey conducted by Stack Overflow, Python is one of the most popular programming languages among all groups, including professional developers, learners, and professionals working with artificial intelligence. According to the TIOB index, Python currently holds the top position among programming languages. Python is a versatile language used across multiple domains. In web development, it powers platforms like Instagram and Spotify. In data science and AI, it supports tools like Netflix, Tesla, and IBM Watson. For automation, Python handles web scraping and email bots. It's key in cybersecurity, IoT, and finance used by PayPal and JP Morgan. Python also drives scientific research at CERN and game development like World of Tanks. Its flexibility, simplicity, and vast libraries make Python essential in today's technology-driven world. Let's quickly highlight what makes Python several features. It's simple, open source, and works on Windows, macOS, and Linux without modification. Its standard library comes packed with modules for file handling, math, networking, and more, so you don't need to reinvent the wheel. And with its object-oriented design, you can build scalable and maintainable code bases with large community support. Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you run a Python program? Let's take a quick look. First, you write your code in a code editor and it's saved as a source file with the Py extension. When you run the program, the Python compiler converts the source code into bytecode, a PYC file that's easy for machines to understand. This bytecode is then sent to the Python virtual machine or PVM, where it gets interpreted line by line. The Python interpreter also uses built-in library modules to execute different functions. Finally, the PVM converts everything into binary or machine code and your program runs successfully on the computer. So, in short, from source code to bytecode through the virtual machine, Python turns your ideas into a working program. Python has one of the largest and most active developer communities in the world. You'll find millions of developers, tons of free learning resources, and third-party libraries created by the community. So, you're never really coding alone. There's always help, just a Google search away. Thank you all for your attention. I hope this session has given you a clear overview of what Python is and why it's so impactful. In the upcoming sessions, we'll dive deeper into Python with exercises. Thank you for joining, and let's begin your Python journey.